Dear students, let us begin the third part of the lesson, in which you will learn about the procedure to import and export Excel data into SPSS. Importing Excel data into SPSS. Importing data into SPSS is one of the important process before you do the analysis. Here, first you have to open IBM SPSS statistics software. From the window, you have to select File, Open and Data options. Prepare your Excel data file for import. Make sure the data is organized in columns, with each variable represented in a separate column. Ensure that the variable names are in the first row of the Excel sheet. Click on File in the SPSS menu bar and select Open. This box will appear. Here in the Open dialog box, locate and select your Excel file, which is in the .xls format or .xls format that you want to import into SPSS. Click Open button. Before that, you have to select correct appropriate data set. The text import wizard will appear. Select Excel as a file type and click Next button. In the next step, the sheet that contains your data from the available sheet in the Excel file. Here we have to ensure that the checkbox will appear. You can preview the data by clicking on the Preview button. Then the Excel sheet will be automatically imported into SPSS package. Click on the Finish button to complete the import process. SPSS will import the Excel data and display it in the data editor window. Here the Excel sheet will be automatically imported to SPSS package. Here we may see the variables. Preview the imported data in SPSS data editor. Ensure that the variables and their values are correctly imported. Make any necessary adjustments or recode variables if needed. Export the output. Whenever you perform the analysis in the SPSS package, you have to export the output into your comfortable format. Here we may go to the options, File and click Export. It ensures that your output file is open in the SPS output viewer. Click File, Export. This brings up the Export Output dialog box. From here, select all visible option, then select your file format. It may be a PPT or Word or PDF. Then if you wish to change the name or location of the export, select Browse button, which is located here. Check the box next to open the content folder, then select OK. Exporting SPSS data to Excel. In the SPSS data editor window, click on File in the menu bar and select Save As. In the Save As dialog box, choose the location where you want to save the exported Excel file. To provide a name for the file and select file type as excel.xls. Click on the Save button. The Export Data dialog box will appear. Make sure the All Visible Cases option is selected if you want to export all cases in the data editor. Exporting SPSS data to Excel. In the Output Range section, choose whether you want to export the entire data sheet or specific range. Select the appropriate option based on your requirements. Then click on the OK button to export the data from SPSS to Excel. SPSS will generate an Excel file with the extension of .xls within your data. Open the export Excel file to verify that the data has been successfully exported from SPSS. Dear students, let us summarize what we have learned in this lesson. In part 1, we have discussed about data formatting and data scrutiny in MS Excel. In the second part, we have discussed data cleaning, data updating and data preparation in MS Excel. And finally, we learned how to export and import Excel data into SPSS package. I hope these concepts will be helpful to you in your research. We have completed our lesson on exporting Excel to SPSS. Thank you.